If you need to extract numbers from text in Excel, there are several methods depending on your version and how your data is structured. I'll walk you through 5 approaches, starting with the simplest. The first method is flash fill, available in Excel 2013 and later. In the cell next to your text string, manually type the number you want extracted as an example. So if your text says, order 123A, type 123 in the adjacent cell. Press Enter to confirm. Now press Ctrl+E, or go to the Data tab and click Flash Fill in the Data Tools group. Excel will automatically fill down the column, extracting numbers from similar cells based on your pattern. If it doesn't work immediately, try giving 2 or 3 examples. Keep in mind flash fill results are static, so if your source data changes, you'll need to run it again. If flash fill doesn't suit your needs, the next method uses a text join formula, which works in Excel 2016 and Excel 365. This extracts all digits from anywhere in the text, regardless of position. Click the cell where you want the result, then type the formula, equals text join open parentheses, quote, quote, comma, true, comma, I fairer, open parentheses, MID, open parentheses, A2, comma, ROW, open parentheses, indirect open parentheses, quote, 1 colon, quote, ampersand, LEN, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses. Replace A2 with your cell reference. In Excel 2016 through 2019, press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to make it an array formula. In Excel 365, just press Enter. Drag the fill handle down to apply it to other cells. You'll see only the numeric digits displayed, with all letters and symbols removed. The third method works best when your numbers appear at the end of the text after a separator like an underscore or dash. Click your target cell, then type equals right, open parenthesis, A2, comma, LEN, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, minus, find, open parenthesis, quote, underscore, quote, comma, A2, close parenthesis, replace A2 with your cell and the underscore with whatever separator your data uses, could be a dash or space. Press Enter, then drag the fill handle down. You'll see the number portion from the right side of the text after the separator. This is the most reliable method when your data has a consistent separator character. If your numbers are at the end, but there's no separator, method 4 uses a complex array formula. Click your target cell and type equals right, open parentheses, A2, comma, LEN, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses, minus MIN, open parentheses, search, open parentheses, open curly brace, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, close curly brace, A2, ampersand quote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Replace A2 with your cell reference, press Enter, then drag the fill handle down. The cell will show the numeric portion from the end. The last method is for numbers at the beginning of your text. Click your target cell and type equals substitute open parenthesis, A2, comma, left, open parenthesis, A2, comma, min, open parenthesis, I fairer, open parenthesis, find, open parenthesis, open curly brace, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, close curly brace, A2, close parenthesis, quote, quote, close parenthesis, minus 1, close parenthesis, quote, quote, close parenthesis, quote, quote, close parenthesis. Replace A2 with your cell, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Drag the fill handle down to apply. You'll see only the leading numbers with the text removed. One important note, if your extracted numbers show up as text, convert them by multiplying by 1 or using the value function. Always verify that extracted numbers are right-aligned in cells, which indicates they're formatted as numeric values if you plan to use them in calculations.